Hey everybody, it's our thing. My name is Julie. I'm in Ada, Oklahoma. My sister lives in Blake Shelton's childhood home. I've been here for 2 weeks. I love it here. My sister and I have reconnected. It's been a fun little stint, except for my mom having surgery on her shoulder. But other than that, it's been good. I get to see my niece and my great nieces and nephew, and I've just had an awesome time visiting with family. Okay, so I'm on the road. We're fixing to head out. I'm with my sister Melanie. She's taking me to the train station. I'm going to log y'all as we go because you know what? Robert's doing the same. We'll talk to you in a little bit.
I have to be on that side. Stop. Okay, there you go.
Destination is on your right. Paul's Valley Station.
Arrived. Okay, but you took me to the wrong side, stupid person. Oh, you're fine. You are fine. So now we got to turn around because, yeah, we're at our destination on the wrong side of the road, Sargie. Stop it. Stop. This is when you drive me crazy. Stop it. Oh, I can put gas in the wheel.
Make Mom give you some money for gas. We should have brought her car. Oh crap. Why didn't we think about that?
Stop it. Sarge, fixing to get smacked. Stop. You are fine. You are fine. Are we sure this is the right place, Julie? Well, I guess there's some cars there.
Well, this would be the only place I would think.
Okay. In the right place. Stop it.
Oh, I'm at the train station. See me? Waiting on the train to go to Dallas. Needs to come on because I'm ready to go home and see my babies. They're all waiting on me. Yep, there it comes to take me to Texas.
It's kind of cool when the guards have been around for years. It's kind of annoying when you're playing DoorDash. This is one to be trained to wait on because it's like, like 4 cars. Yeah, there was one with like 12 engines the other day.
I went to like Dallas. We were going 25 in the morning.